Alright guys, did you like the video? If you did, hit that like and subscribe, press the notifications bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out. Today we're just playing with some different products here. I need to do a little wash up on my car. I wanted to use the Kwazar Foamer. Now this is a pump foamer here and they're around 40 bucks. You can get them 25-30% off. So I used a sale and had gotten this one. They come with 3 tips: a blue, a black, and a white tip. And as far as I'm concerned, the white is more of a runny tip. This is medium foam with the blue and heavy foam with the black. Now they make different foam or different Quasar spray bottles. They do different things and therefore different chemical resistance. This one is just the foamer. I like the black tip, but the blue one wasn't bad. And if you want more of that rinse down, you want the white tip on there. I will say that the foamer is nice. You have to pump it a little bit, and I didn't notice that it had a whole lot of pressure left over, but I filled it up like 3/4 of the way full, so it could be my fault. I gotta maybe just go halfway full. This is a 2 liter, so maybe 1 liter is good enough. Now I used American Detailer Garage inside here with some water. I just kind of poured some in there, and that does a great job at doing a pre-foam, kind of a breakdown foam, if you will. Sprayed it all over the car. It foams up nicely, rinsed it off, and then I went into the wash. I'm using the Duragloss 901, and if you've never tried Duragloss, guys, they're an old school company. They have some really good products. Their 901 shampoo is very, very good, guys. You can get it, you can get a gallon probably for like 20 bucks, $25 or something like that. This is, I think, cost me like $4 or $5. So very good stuff, goes a long way, and smells good, like cherry, Ludgren's cherry cough drops. It's really, really nice. Has good lubricity, nice foam, just an excellent soap. You can't beat the price on the Duragloss 901. So if you've never tried it, order some of this and stop messing around with the expensive soaps. I know I have a lot of soaps, but that's what we do here. But if you're looking to save some money and get a good soap, Duragloss 901. And after we dried the car, I used the drying towel, the McKee's Glacier 1100. That thing just does an amazing one pass over each side of the car, and it's dry. So if you want a really good drying towel, Glacier 1100 from McKee's. And we wanted to try out some of the new P&S, the Dream Maker. This is supposed to have some crazy gloss. So the car looks good already. And I tried it on some door panels to see if the slickness was different. The car is very slick as it sits after washing it with the Duragloss, okay? I mean, it's super slick. And I tried this on one door panel. I felt the difference wasn't any more slick than treated or non-treated with this. Sprayed this on the car. It went all the way around the car. I can tell you right now that the car is like a white mirror or a white piece of porcelain. It's super glossy. I think this just does an excellent job at bringing out that extra pop. Now, Dream Maker from P&S is pretty cheap. I think I paid $4 or $5 for this little 16-ounce bottle, and probably a gallon of this is maybe $20, something like that with the sale. So if you want some real good shine, and the way I'm looking at it now, it sure has some shine on it. This stuff also smells fantastic, like a super strong strawberry scent. I mean, it's a really nice scent actually, and you know, it's just a good product there, guys. I'm not expecting to make a durability out of this. I don't use it for that. I want that extra last step pop and gloss amplifier. I think it does the job. All right, guys, if you like the video, try out some new products, new tools. These are pretty good to use. Try them out. Definitely want to use the American Detailer Garage F-Bomb because it's so versatile for in and outside the car. The Duragloss is so cheap and just does a fantastic job. And the Dream Maker, if you want that extra pop, try it out. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.